Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be an unboxing video. Recently I purchased new foundation from MAC because I was running out of my old one and I didn't want to have no more foundation when getting ready for an event. So let me show you what else I got from MAC. So I used their online ordering system because they had other free items if you purchase certain amount. So let me show you. So MAC always sends your bill in this kind of card. So this is the bill. And there's a lot of foams. I think it's to protect the product. So let me start with foundation. Should be here. So this is the foundation. MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 25 PA double pluses, and this one is the Skin Balancing Complex Longwear Soft Matte Foundation 30 ml, and I got an NC25. So we have to shake well. The good thing is this one comes with a pump. If it's the first time you may have to squeeze many times before you can take out the product. This is brand new. There you go. Lock it. This is the foundation. I have one that is very similar and I think it has good coverage, so I really like this foundation. Okay, the next one I want to show you is this one. I purchased a primer, and this one is the Lightful C Tone Up Primer Glow Play. So this one is a new release, so I wanted to try their primer. This one is SPF 50 plus and PA 3 pluses, and it's also 30 ml. Ingredients: moisture skin, sponge brush, shake well before use. So it's supposed to give a naturally rosy glow to skin and prep for the makeup application. So it is also supposed to blur the skin imperfections, and it has C3 complex, vitamin C, coral grass extract, and cherry blossom extract. So also has sun protection, dermatologist tested, does not cause acne and does not clog pores, suitable for all skin type. So I hope it lives up to its claim. This one is lightly lavender. There are two options. I selected this one to try. Also, I needed one primer, so I thought this was a good choice to try. So we have to shake. The bottle is really pretty. And then I'm gonna try this on the side. So it is very watery, just like the previous C Plus Coral Primer. But this one has a little bit of lavender tint. And it also has a very light scent. It smells sweet to me. It is very similar to the previous coral scent, the previous primer with C Plus Coral, like this one. It's very similar scent. They just upgraded some items. So I like the scent. It somehow smells like the Suwol Su foundation scent or the Eye-Base cushion foundation scent. So this is how it is. I think it's quite soft. I hope it can hold my makeup. So those are the two things I purchased, and with this they had an offer. If you get two face products, then you can get certain items, and also because I reach And also I reached an amount that included free items. So this came as a free item. This is the MAC's makeup bag. Let me put my foundation. So foundation and primer can fit with a little bit more items. Other than that, I also got this Fix Plus Stay Over alcohol-free long-lasting setting spray. So I have already tried many of their sprays, but I have not tried this long-lasting setting spray. So I was very happy to get this as a free item because I would like to try this on my makeup to see if it lasts long, and I was looking for a setting spray as well. So this one is 30 ml. The container is really cute. So after completing your makeup and with eyes and mouth completely closed, mist face evenly while holding bottle 12 inches away from face. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to shake. It also has a very light scent, but it smells really good to me. So this is the setting spray. This one is in mini size. They do have a fuller version of this. So other than this, I also got this Hyper Real Free Canvas Cleansing Oil. So this one is also a mini size. Use twice a day, morning and evening, as part of your Hyper Real skincare routine. So this is supposed to remove your makeup and impurities, including long wear and waterproof formulas. So what you need to do is put it in your palm of your hand and then just apply it on your face, and I think you can gently rub it and then you use warm water to wash it off. This is how it looks like. Because this is a sample size, they do have a full size as well. Is that enough? So the makeup is getting dissolved, it's moving around, and then I can wash it with warm water. So now the makeup is all gone. This one also has a very light scent, but it does not bother me. And the next item I got is this one. So this one is MAC's Hyper Real Ceramizer Eye. So this one is for eye treatment. So I think this is supposed to help your under eye get brighter, so you don't have those dark circles. But I have not tried this before, and it is a sample size, so I will give it a try. This is very easy to blend. It does not really have a very distinctive scent, a very light scent. And then finally, I also got this puffs from MAC. So they are brand new, so I'm going to open. Oh, that was bad. So this one can be used to apply the primer. And you can use one finger to blend it out on your face like this. You can also blend the foundation, but I think it's much easier with primer. So they sent it together with their new product launch, so this one comes free. And at the end, when you check out, you can choose one sample to try. So I chose this Studio Radiance foundation. So this one is also in NC25. I thought I would get a little bit more foundation and I can carry this around, so that is why I chose it. So that is all that's in this box. So thank you for watching. That's all for this video.